Hi, today I'm gonna be installing Blackburn lighted rear rack on my e-bike. I bought this from Walmart, plus tax for like $26. Not a bad deal. It also have a light in the back. Just press here. Pretty cool. It's a good deal comparing to Amazon. I think this is a little bit cheaper, and I can pick it up like same day here. So it comes with this supporting rods here, some hardware if needed, accessory adapters, whatnot. And this support, it can support up to 45 pounds, which is pretty good. A lot of time I think I know this is like 20 pounds on most of the rack here. So that is probably more than I needed, but it's okay. And this will go over the seat post right here. As for screws here to adjust the diameter of your post here, you're probably gonna need a hex or Allen wrench tool. You can see it also comes with bungee cord here that you can wrap your back around it. So basically I'm going to be carrying my some of my tools for flat tire and some snacks and things like that. So it's pretty tight. You have to loosen these 4 bolts and then sort of wiggle and spinning your seat post in there. I went ahead and installed only one supporting post here because I can find the spot where I can screw it in on both sides here. So gonna be just one side. That's okay. The other side I could not find a good location for it. So anyway, so it's pretty simple. I just tightened the 4 screws here back. You might need to have a little grip here with another tool so this nut will not turn, but I'm not going to install any of these there because it's not going to line up, pretty well there. And I think this is pretty sturdy. There's no need to, and I'm not going to put a lot of weight here, so I think it's pretty sturdy. And right here, like I say, I can push this. It's pretty cool. Have that extra light over there. I don't know how long it will last, or is the battery operated? I'm not sure. But I also have my own light over here, which is I can always right there, so as well. So here you go. Looks pretty good, pretty sturdy. I went ahead and installed only one supporting post here because I can find the spot where I can screw it in on both sides here. So gonna be just one side. That's okay. The other side I could not find a good location for it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and get one if you need it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.